Coming live from Integrity TV, AAA, Representative Jessica and Julie, Supervisor 09628, probably both white trash. Bad experience on July 14th. Documenting 7:24 is when I started to talk to Jessica, white trash. Stopped at 7:46. Supervisor 8:03 p.m. white trash. Badge number 09628. This is dedicated to Better Business Bureau, Yelp, Google, YouTube. Eat your heart out. White trash on native land. Then Julie said, I'll give you options. I said, are you going to cash at me for those options? She said, I'm not giving you a cent. Is that right? You're on a recorded line, Julie. Is that how supervisors talk to patrons? Is that right, Julie 09628? I'm not giving you a cent? That doesn't sound like raving fan experience customer service, Julie. That sounds like you're going to get walking papers of unemployment for your poor performance. And since Jessica's under you and you enable her white trash attitude, you also have the white trash attitude. You know what boss is? Shitty SOBs. There's no women supporting women. It's women botting out and being cunts to other women. Anyways, this is documentation. AAA, not a raving fan experience. No thank you, not interested. Maybe we'll do it again tomorrow. And maybe Julie won't be such a white trash whore. Maybe Jessica won't be such a white trash whore. On a recorded line.